Have you ever wondered how to create a WhatsApp channel? In today's digital age, creating a WhatsApp channel can be a game changer for your brand. From simplified communication to increased engagement, it serves as a dynamic platform for community building. The beauty of it all, you don't need to be a tech guru to get started. So, whether you're a business owner looking to reach a wider audience or simply someone who wants to gather like-minded individuals, a WhatsApp channel can be your go-to tool. Stay tuned as we unveil the simple and easy steps to create your own WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channels are not just for fun, they can be a powerful tool for businesses and communities. A WhatsApp channel is essentially a group chat that can be used to share information, updates, and promotional content with a broad audience. It's a hub of communication that can be used by businesses, communities, or any group of people wanting to stay connected. Think of it as an interactive bulletin board where members can receive updates and engage in conversations. It's an effective way to keep everyone in the loop, whether it's for a community event, a business promotion, or simply sharing the latest news. This platform is not just about sending messages though. It comes with a variety of features that enhance its functionality. You can add a channel description and an icon, making it more appealing and informative for potential followers. It's about creating a unique identity that reflects the purpose of your channel. Using a WhatsApp channel, you can foster a sense of community, increase trust and loyalty, and even create brand ambassadors. It's a space where members can interact, share ideas, and contribute to the group's objectives. Now that we know what a WhatsApp channel is, it's time to learn how to create one. Creating a WhatsApp channel is not rocket science, but a simple process that anyone can follow. Let's break down this process into simple, manageable steps. Firstly, you need to download the WhatsApp application from your mobile device's app store. It's available for both Android and iOS devices, so don't worry about compatibility. Once you've installed the app, it's time to set up your account. Enter your phone number and follow the prompts to verify it. WhatsApp will send you a verification code via SMS, which you'll need to enter into the app. After this step, you can set up your profile by adding a name and a profile picture. With your account ready, it's time to create your new channel. To do this, click on the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of the app, select New Group, and follow the prompts. At this point, you'll need to add a channel description and icon. This is crucial as it makes the channel more appealing and informative to potential followers. The description should be concise and clear, providing a snapshot of what the channel is about. As for the icon, choose an image that is related to the channel's theme or purpose. Now, it's time to invite members to your channel. You can do this by selecting contacts from your phone's contact list or by sharing the group's link with anyone you want to invite. Remember, the more the merrier. And there you have it, a brand new WhatsApp channel ready to engage your audience. Creating a WhatsApp channel is just the beginning. Managing it effectively is where the real challenge lies. So here are some tips to help you out. First, setting rules is crucial. Defining what is and isn't acceptable in your channel can help maintain a positive atmosphere and avoid confusion. Next, moderation is key. Make sure to keep an eye on the content shared in your channel. If something violates your rules or is inappropriate, don't be afraid to take action. Engagement is another vital aspect of managing a WhatsApp channel. Interact with your members, acknowledge their contributions, and respond to their queries. This helps in building a sense of community and fosters a positive environment. Lastly, remember to regularly update your channel with fresh content. This keeps the channel interesting and encourages members to check in frequently. Consider adding a channel description and an appealing icon. This can make your channel more attractive and informative to potential followers, setting the stage for growth. Remember, managing a WhatsApp channel is not a one-time effort, but a continuous process that requires attention and dedication. With these tips in hand, you're well on your way to running a successful WhatsApp channel. So, are you ready to create your first WhatsApp channel? Let's quickly recap. Start by setting up your account, then move on to adding a catchy channel description and an appealing icon. Next, invite followers to join your channel. Remember, the key to managing your WhatsApp channel effectively is regular engagement with your followers. Don't be shy. Share your experiences in the comments section. We'd love to hear about your journey. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the world of WhatsApp channels awaits you, so go ahead and create your own channel today.